morning, dears. Yesterday we have completed word sums in the live class. Is it? Hope all of you understood. Today we'll be starting exercise 3.7 where we have to estimate the sums. Till now we have learned how to estimate the numbers nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. Now here we have to estimate two numbers and then we have to find the sum. Means after addition the number what comes? Is it? Sum is the, what is the meaning of sum? Sum is a number which comes after addition. So let us begin exercise 3.7. Question number 1. A, it says 520 plus 185. You have to write following the sum nearest 100. So what will be this 520 nearest 100? That would be 500, where here you will be writing estimated sum. 500 would be 520 would be 500 and 185 would be 200 is equal to 700. Is it? Only this much we have to do. We don't have to write the sentences. Here only we have to write the numbers. And then estimated sum 1275 plus 4300. Now here I will be writing estimated sum is equal to, this will be rounding to 1300 because 275 tens place it is more than 5, plus this is already rounded number 4300, then that gives you 5600. Is it? So this way we have to find this is question number D, not B. Then you see question number F. It is given 6527 plus 2131. So what would be the estimated sum? This would be rounding to 6500 plus this will be 2100. Then this gives you 8600. So like that we have to round the number nearest 100 and then we have to find their sum. Is it? Look at question number G. It says 51,515 plus 23,347. Now what would be the estimated sum? I didn't have to see whether the number is consisting thousands place or 10,000 place. We have to round nearest 100. So see the tens place number is 1 less than 5. So this will be 51,500 plus is also less than 5. So this will be 23,300. Now we'll be adding it up. 74,800. Okay, like that we have to find the answers. Number I is given 15,721 plus 17,890. So what would be estimated sum at the 10th place 2? So this will be 15,700. At the 10th place 9. So this will be 17,900. Now we'll be adding it up. 9 and 7 16. 7 and 5 12 and 1 13. 1 1 2 and 1 3. So this will be the answer for question number I. Is it? Now question number 2, it says 1,492 adults and 1,821 children visited an exhibition. Estimate the total number of visitors in exhibition nearest 1000. Now you see is given number of adults visited exhibition one 1492. Nearest 1000. Okay, here we'll write 1492 rounded of nearest 1000 is equal to 1000, because at the 100 place it is 4, and number of children visited exhibition is equal to 1821. Now 1821 rounded off nearest 1000 is equal to 2000. So estimated number of visitors visited exhibition is equal to 1000 plus 2000, or this gives you 3000. 3000 people have visited the exhibition. This is question number 2. Question number 3 says a poultry farm has 12,960 hens. 571 more hens were bought. Estimate the total number of hens on the poultry farm now nearest 100. So let us see question number. Then question number 3, it says a poultry farm has 12,960 hens and 571 more hens were bought. Okay. Now here I will be writing actual number of hens or estimated hens nearest 100. They have asked estimated hens, is it? So 12,960 would be estimated to 13,000 because 10 plus is more than 6, and 5,171 would be rounded to 600. So how many estimated hens are there? 13,600. Then we'll write total number of estimated hens in the farm is 13,600. In the answer, instead of addition they have subtract, but this is not correct. They have asked more hens were bought. So how it can be subtracted? It will be added now more. Now it was less, now it is more. So now the answer will be 13,600. Answer they have given 12,400. Kindly correct it. The answer would be 13,600. So with this we have completed chapter addition. Next chapter we have subtraction. You know about the subtraction, is it? So next day we'll be reading subtraction, and if there is any doubt from addition chapter, you can comment me. Keep practicing, dears. Take care. Thank you.